Welcome back, graduates. So today I'm going to show you how to make the whole image banner become one solid link. And then I'm going to show you that you can have the option to make it a solid image link or to have two buttons. And this is on Dawn Theme 4.0 and specifically for 4.0. So if you go into your theme editor, this is what it's going to look like, and then you have a image banner as the section. Underneath the section, you'll have blocks. So Shopify only limits you to 16 blocks per section. So right over here, this is going to be your, call to action, and then your text here, and then buttons. So right over here, when you go into the image banner, you're gonna have an image option to upload right over here, and then you'll have the first image. If you're only using one image, you can assign that URL link right over here. So when you go and preview this, before clicking on an image or anywhere, you can see where it goes to, and at the very bottom you'll see it goes to a cold brew bottle. So if you just click on that image, it'll just go to wherever you assign that link to. But if you go back into your editor, if you go back into your editor right over here, click image, and then you click on the buttons, and then you go into just the image banner itself and remove this first image URL. It's gonna have their default design right here, and then the call to actions will be visible. So when you click on the image banner and you click on a first image URL, all this will go away, and the whole image will be the link. The whole image will be a link. However, if you go into here and you save this, and you have the call to action, and then you have buttons, and then you have them assigned here. When you go and preview this again, you'll notice that the image, if I click on anywhere in this image, it won't direct to anywhere. But if I click on the button shop now, it'll go to collection/all, or discover, it'll go to my collections. So just want to show you that. I know we've been getting a couple requests on how to make the whole carousel one solid link, and Dawn Theme 4.0 does that already and gives you that option to do that. But just wanted to clarify that. And it works sometimes and it doesn't work. You can do A/B testing. If you like this kind of image, if you like this call to action button, then that's great. If you want a custom image and you can put text, you can actually just go in Photoshop or Photopea, do some editing there, and then add them to here. That'll be fine as well. Just know that that Dawn 4.0 does not have a mobile specific image yet, but stay tuned because we are gonna have that and create that setting for you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you.